Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of comparing numeric data. This is standard 7.12a in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 10 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on our own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a box plot. Some of us might still call this a box and whisker plot, but we can just call it a box plot here. So the teacher's recording the typing speeds of her students. This type of plot is good to show us the spread and the center of numeric data sets so we can compare. Obviously we got Monday and Tuesday, so she's comparing, and you see that the two different graphs are slightly different. So we just got 4 statements here. One of them is going to be supported by this. And we've got some words here that are going to be very important. Median, maximum, range, interquartile range. Okay, so those are some words we need to know coming into this. So the median typing speed on Monday was less than the median typing speed. Well, let's take a look at this. Okay, so the median, think of when you're driving down the street, right? That's going to be the middle number. So if you took, we don't know how many numbers are in the data sets for Monday and Tuesday, but if you took that middle number, right, it's going to be, you see this box right here, this is my median for Monday, and this is my median. It's that middle number, even though it's not centered in that box, it's that line in the middle of the box. That's my median for Tuesday. So those are my two medians, right? So this is 70, and then this is going to be 65. And what does the statement say? The median typing speed on Monday was less. Nope, 70 is greater. So this is incorrect. If they would have said greater, we would have been fine. So not A. But that's what we're going to need to do, evaluate all of these statements. So let's look at B. The maximum typing speed on Monday was greater than the maximum typing speed. So we're really just looking at the end, right? One of the whiskers or the very end. And we'll see our maximum right here is going to be the farthest to the left, or the farthest to the right, actually. So that's going to be 85. But you notice that on Tuesday, it's also a maximum of 85, so they're equal. So this should have said equal for us to use it. So that's a no on that one. Let's check C, the range. Okay, so the range is going to be the difference. It's going to be my maximum minus my minimum. All right, so we've already got my maximums of 85. So here's my minimum. It's the far left. And that's going to be 30 for Monday. And that's going to be minimum of 20 on Tuesday. And so the range of the typing speeds was equal. No. You see, I've got a greater minimum, which means my range is less, right? 85 minus 30, right? That's going to be 55. But 85 minus 20 is going to be 65. So they're not equal. This one needs to be less. All right, so let's hope it's D. That's the last one left. So the interquartile range. Okay, so the interquartile range, right, if we were to look at this, this is going to be quarter 1. It's going to be this left side of the box. Quartile 2 is going to be the middle. Quartile 3 is the right side of the box. So really, we're looking at this right here. Quartile 3 is 80, right, minus that 55. So that IQR is the quartile 3, the right side of the box, minus the quartile 1. So that's going to be, what do we got, 25 for this top one. And then we've got 75 for quartile 3. We got 50, so 75 minus 25, that's also 25. And it says they are equal. So yeah, even though they're slightly off by 5, the range is the same, and my answer is D.